We are going to build a large truck, something like a Mack and with a lowboy trailer. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to layer it. It's the first time I've done that. Let's see how it goes. Now what you see here is the bed of the trailer and the ramp which goes off the end of it. And I'm using cloth as a hinge. You want to be sure to soak it real good and rotate it once in a while as it's drying so it's not stiff. I am now cutting the layered part of the truck cab. Now you can see what I mean by layered. It's a very interesting way of building. Here I am painting the side reflectors on the trailer. Makes it look pretty realistic. I got a little impatient, so I bought some instant glue. Just be careful with it because your fingers do stick together. Off to the paint shop. Wants to be just like the big boys. Here it comes down the road. And so that is it. I will put a location of my website in the comment file. And thank you very much for watching. And please like and subscribe. Have a good day.